The building is over 200 years old, but the menu offers a new kind of steakhouse experience. Located on Grafton Street in Shrewsbury, Willy's Steakhouse and Sushi Bar offers cutting-edge cuisine in a classic atmosphere. The dining room sports brick walls, wooden beams, big booths, and a busy bar, but the real action happens back in the kitchen.
Petite filet, medium rare, 2 petite New Yorks, medium.
Chef Ken Novotny says the main thing that separates Willy's from the competition is that he pan-sears all the steaks at a very high temperature.
A lot of other restaurants, they'll char grill their steaks. It just doesn't do the same thing. Pan-searing takes the meat and it sears the outside, leaving the juices inside. Really puts a nice crust on the outside of the steak.
So the 24-ounce dry-aged porterhouse has a nice crispy exterior while staying rosy red on the inside. Willy's reinterpretation of surf and turf starts with a brandy-flamed peppercorn sauce. Over that goes a perfectly pan-seared filet and 3 grilled jumbo shrimp, along with a couple eye-catching, mouth-watering lobster ravioli. But a lot of Willy's regulars tend to prefer the pecan-encrusted rack of lamb.
We serve a 1.5 pound Australian lamb rack. We grill it on the grill and then we rub it down with molasses Dijon crust and we bake it in the oven.
Unlike a lot of steakhouses, the side dishes here are a main attraction. Mashed potatoes are boosted with waffle-cut chips, French fries are sprinkled with Parmesan cheese and truffle oil, and the crispy Lyonnaise potatoes are the #1 seller.
I like the Lyonnaise because they're creamy and they're hot and they're crispy on top, so you dig into them and you get a creamy, milky center, and with the caramelized onion, but then also it's baked with the crumbs on top, so it gets crispy on top, so it's a little bit of both.
To start the meal, Willy's offers up everything from an artisan cheese board to oysters Rockefeller to crispy coconut shrimp. Or you can order up tuna tartare, an incredibly fresh fish from the area's most talented sushi chef.
Sushi is like no other. It is fresh sushi, comes in daily, prepared by an incredible chef that is very creative and has a lot of talent and takes a little pride in his work.
A lot of pride goes into the dessert tray as well, along with plenty of butter, sugar, and chocolate. Every night, the kitchen offers an assortment of cakes, tarts, torts, and even dynamite sticks from Holy Cannoli in Worcester. It all adds up to an evening full of sweets, steaks, and sushi at Willy's Steakhouse.